Hello, welcome to our channel Study with Dhananjay. In this channel, we are going to study our fourth syllabus of maths and science both. But now, let's just do a quick experiment. This experiment is to test the proteins are present in the food or not. So, the materials required are a strainer, a test tube holder, a dropper, a spatula, a knife, some test tubes, a grater, a funnel, and copper sulfate and some caustic soda, iodine, a raw potato, a paste of cooked rice, a paste of uncooked dal, a paste of dry coconut, a paste of raw rice, a paste of groundnut and some milk, and we are taking a mango as a fruit and the apple ground or a tinda as a vegetable, and a solution of caustic soda and a solution of copper sulfate. So, to make the solution of caustic soda, we will be requiring 10 grams of caustic soda and dissolving it in 100 ml of water. I have made it from the beginning. So, and now to make a solution of copper sulfate, we will be requiring 2 grams of copper sulfate and dissolving it in 100 ml of water. Friends, remember this: when you are dissolving caustic soda into water, don't put your fingers in the water because it is hot. It is an exothermic reaction. It releases it, so it feels hot. And do not put your finger in the caustic soda because it is hot and it can burn your hands or can make you pimples. So now let's get started. So for this experiment, we are required to take a paste of a solid substance and 10 drops of water in that substance, mixing it and then adding our chemicals like 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of caustic soda in it, mixing it and keeping the test tube steady for a few minutes. And if the test tube's solution changes its color into violet, then the protein is present. If not, then the protein is absent. So now let's just do the experiment. First, I am going to test, is there a protein in a raw potato or not. So the procedure is: take a bowl, take a clean grater and then grate the potato. So now I have grated some potato into this paste like this, and then I am going to be taking this paste out like this, and then I will be putting a funnel into one of the test tubes and using a strainer to strain only the liquid stuff from this grated potato. This much of the potato paste should be enough. Then the next step is, as you can see, now we will fix this test tube in the test tube holder. And now we will be adding 10 drops so, and then we will be shaking this test tube. Because there is no harmful chemicals like this too, we can use our finger to shake it. Why? Because there is only water and crushed potato. So we can use our finger and shake it like this. Now the water is mixed with the potato. Now we can again mount this on the test tube holder. Now we will be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 drops of caustic soda, and then we will wash our water, and then we will be adding just 2 drops of the copper sulfate solution, 1 and 2. Then we will wash our dropper again, and then we will be shaking this test tube. Now, because there is this solution and this solution which can make pimples and burn your skin, we won't be using our thumb to mix it. And we will shake it vigorously to mix all of the water, then this solution and this solution and the water and the paste of the potato nicely. And we will let this test tube be in the test tube stand for a bit, for a few minutes. And then now we will do another test meanwhile. So now I am taking some drops of milk and then washing the dropper again, and then we will add 10 drops of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 drops of water, and then we will shake it. Because there is only milk and water, we can use our thumb to shake it. Now the water and the milk has mixed nicely. So then we will be mounting our test tube on the test tube holder nice and tight. Then we will be adding 10 drops of caustic soda solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Enough. Washing the dropper again, and then we'll be adding just 2 drops of this. 1 and 2. Then we will be washing or cleaning the dropper again with clean water, and we will shake it nicely. And we will let it sit for a few minutes. For a few minutes we will let it sit and test another substance, which I will be using cooked rice paste. So, in a clean test tube, we will take the funnel and use the strainer to separate only the liquid part from this cooked rice paste. And then we will separate the water. Then we will be taking out only the liquid portion. this much should be enough. Then the next step is to wash your hand nicely. Now I have washed my hands nicely. Then we will take out the funnel and we will be adding 10 drops of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then we have added 10 drops of water. Then we will close it and shake it. And then we will be mounting this test tube in the test tube holder. We will be adding 10 drops of caustic soda solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then we will wash our dropper. Now cleaning your apparatus before adding anything is important because you don't want to mix any of these two chemicals. Then we will be adding 1 and 2 drops of copper sulfate solution, and then we will be again cleaning our dropper. Then we will be shaking the test tube nicely. And now we have mixed our solution nicely. We will let it sit for a few minutes. Now, few minutes have passed for our before two things. So this is the potato. Let's see, does potato has proteins or not? As you can see, it is a little darker, but not totally violet. It means that there is very, very, very little amount of protein which is negligible for the amount. And then we will be seeing the milk. Wow, the milk's color has changed to violet. And as we know, as if the solution is getting violet, that means that it has proteins. Yes, it means milk has proteins in it. And now we will let this sit for a few minutes. After a few minutes, as you can see, the color of the cooked rice paste has turned a little bit violet. It means protein is present. So friends, I will test out all of these in the next part. So if you want to see is there protein in all of these, so you will see that in the next part. For that time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. Bye. Thank you for watching.